welcome back. Our sponsors at Sauna Health and Wellness are redefining physical therapy to include Pilates principles, and here with more details on what this means and why it's beneficial are Rachel and Bryn. Welcome, ladies. Thanks for joining me.
Oh, thank you for having us.
Of course. First, tell us about Sauna and why you decided to open it.
Yes, so Sauna is a physical therapy clinic in East Aurora. We do one-on-one physical therapy, orthopedic, neuromuscular, pelvic health physical therapy for an hour with your physical therapist, doctor of physical therapy. But we also integrate Pilates-based rehabilitation and have also a Pilates studio in-house. So we do private sessions, lots of group classes, tailored sessions, and so forth, and massage as well, services too. And I think we decided to open it is because both Bryn and I practiced in different states. I was Los Angeles area, Bryn, Minneapolis, and we've been doing this model of care for me close to 20 years, close to 15 years or so. And when we moved back during the pandemic to the Buffalo area, we realized this model doesn't really exist here. So and then we met and began it here.
Okay, so let's talk about what Pilates-based physical therapy is and what it looks like at Sauna.
Well, Pilates in general is a very effective way to strengthen your core muscles, your really deep set of muscles. It stabilizes the spine. It helps improve your flexibility. It helps improve your posture. So when I know we all sit up straight. Right?
Yeah, really.
So when you come to us for physical therapy, for your back, for your shoulder, for your hip, your knee, we're going to do, the Pilates exercises are going to help you first strengthen the core to support the healing of the muscle or the joint that you're also there for. So you're going to, in addition to rehabbing your spine, your shoulder, your hip, your knee, you're also going to get this full body strengthening, and you're going to improve your overall posture, your biomechanics. It helps prevent future injuries and future recurrences of that pain as well.
Let's talk more about those benefits and kind of share what you've experienced with your patients that have been able to really see a difference.
The first thing most of our patients tell us is this physical therapy? This is totally different than any type of physical therapy we've been to before. It's fun. It's not boring. It's totally different exercises than they're used to. Every time they come, they're getting something new, different, and challenging to do. We send them home with more traditional exercises for their home exercise program, but when they're with us, they're on the Pilates equipment, which is very supportive equipment. So it's good for all ages, all abilities.
Impact.
Yeah, very supportive, low impact, gentle, but like I said, very effective.
Okay, all right.
We do traditional work as well. So we do soft tissue, we're manual therapists too. We use modalities as needed depending on kind of when they come in, if they're having an acute episode or not. But being able to say, this is your program, you're gonna do it at home. And I think this, what is special about Sauna is when they come in, they're not just redoing what they're doing at home. They're doing something new and extremely effective to just get them better faster.
Nice. Well, let's talk about how Sauna can help with balance and back pain specifically.
Yes. So for balance dysfunction, because we're one-on-one and you have us for the entire hour, we really can, we have a special interest in treating balance disorders, and we're able to give that time to do it. And what's interesting about balance dysfunction is it's very multi-system. So your balance, and how you perceive and move, it is multi-system. So when I say that, I mean how strong you are, your strength, your flexibility, how you're seeing, your vision, takes place with that, your proprioception, so how you feel beneath your feet.
Yeah.
Why is it easier to walk on a hard floor than a rug or a golf course or, a spongy grass and so forth. And then your vestibular system too. So your inner ear system and how you kind of perceive yourself standing, sitting, moving, and so forth. So we look at all of those systems and we tease them out, and then we see where do we need to work, where do we need to strengthen, right? So what system impairs you the most? And we do very functional activities, not just with the Pilates-based equipment, but we work on curbs and stairs and outdoor things and so forth to really enhance as much as possible for the balance to make you less fearful of falling and to prevent falls. And physical therapy is very effective in preventing falls.
Awesome. And what about that back pain?
Well, back pain, 80% of us will experience back pain of some form during our lifetime. So, and physical therapy is a proven method for treating back pain. So, but you have to do it, right? So at Sana, the one-on-one care with your doctor of physical therapy, you're gonna get very specialized care. Pilates-based rehab, again, the core training, the core muscles, you're working your transversus abdominal muscle, your multifidi muscles, your pelvic floor muscles, they all support and stabilize the spine, which is really what you need to help heal those disc issues, the muscle strains. We need to stabilize the spine. We're also working on your flexibility in Pilates, and we need, if you're stabilizing the spine, you also need nice flexible hips to move from. So really, Pilates is just a very effective way to treat back pain.
And I think it's important to note that PT is the first course of treatment for back pain.
Yeah.
In general, you will avoid costly medication.
Yes.
Procedures,
Yes.
yes, it's a holistic way to really get you better without having to use those services.
Well, ladies, thank you so much for coming in and sharing more about what you do and what you specialize in. And viewers, if you'd like more information on their Pilates-based physical therapy and tailored therapy programs, you can visit our sponsors at sanahealthandwellness.com or call the number right there on your screen. Thanks again for coming in.
Oh, thank you so much.